Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. If you've got a rip or tear to repair, use these Iron-on Quickfix. These Iron-on Quickfix packs are perfect for repairing tears, etc. in garments quickly and easily. There are 4 different packs available: black, grey, navy and white, and each contains one piece that's 11 by 25 centimetres. I'll show you how easy it is to repair a tear. So here's the tear in my fabric. First thing I'm going to do is just neaten up the edges and cut off any loose stray threads. And then once that's done, I can prepare my patch. So I'm going to apply it to the inside, so I turn that over, give that a quick press to make sure it's nicely flat. And then cut a patch that's bigger than the tear so that it covers it completely. And you'll find this cotton fabric here has got the glue on one side, so that's the shiny side. I'm just going to curve my corners. Now I'm doing this so that it will last longer and won't have a tendency to lift. The corners can lift off during wear and wash if they're not curved. So I'm just curving my corners. So the patch is now ready to apply. So I apply it glue side down. Now you can work with slightly lower temperatures with this patch, but I actually like to fuse it in place with a hot iron to make sure it's permanent. So I'm going to press my patch with a hot iron, which I have covered, the fabric has been covered with a press cloth, so I'm not going to scorch the fabric. Hold the iron in place for 20 to 30 seconds, so that is a long time, hence protecting it with a press cloth. I particularly like these sheer press cloths because you can see through them and they do withstand very hot temperatures. Once you've pressed it in place, move the iron around, and then you can double check that it's completely secure and that none of the edges will lift up. And there is your patch repaired. The products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.